Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you all according to your time. I remain your favorite baby girl, Anointed Lady TV. If you are new to this channel, you are highly welcome. And if you have been watching, you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for, guys? Please kindly hit that red button where they wrote subscribe and also put on the notification bell so you'll be getting more updates from this channel. To all my returning subscribers, thank you very much for tuning in, and to my new subscribers, you are highly welcome. Let's watch this video below, guys. I will be right back.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depends where you are watching me for. This one is just few minutes video. I don't want to waste time at all. I don't complete my research. Why cement the dear for our state, for Edo State? The wicked of the wicked will surely come to an end. Research when I go do, dey easy. So I want to expose the major distributors for cement for our state and in Nigeria. And this person will give me all this information because I need to protect them. I'm supposed to go in shop, but I also make I complete my research so that make I expose this cement major distributors. What really happen about cement? Every 3 years, e get what they call rebate. Rebate, now they call am the major distributor. All these major distributors, what they do, they're very wicked. When would they say evil union for every item? For our market, for Nigeria and Edo State, some people not really understand what we talk. This major distributor for cement, every 3 years, now they do one before. Now every year they continue to do one. Of recent, before the NSAS protest, cement now about 2,650 naira. So when the protest continue, Dangote come shut down, a truck not they come out. Boa Cement come shut down, a truck not they come out. So these major distributors, they can't take advantage of that NSAS protest, carry their cement for 2,650 to 3,000 naira. To 3,000 naira. Wicked set of people. Wicked set of people. Causing hardship to their fellow Nigeria. And this major cement dealer, they know, say not be everybody fit build house for our country today or for our state. The few people wey fit still dey buy land, they build house, this cement seller, major distributors, the cement seller, they make things they hard for them. It shall never be well with all this major distributor wey cause this scarcity. So I don't complete my research. When I carry my waka go, I can say, nah, Oga, why this cement can be 3,500, 3,400, 3,300? Our brothers and sisters for Edo to buy cement na problem. Our brothers and sisters, when we say that they hustle for inside coal, for Europe, for America, for Canada, where see the builders for their parents to buy cement na problem. What it cause this problem? He said that the major distributors for cement, they come together and say, okay, may they do rebate. This rebate be say, if na 100 trailers of cement supposed to come in those states, the major distributors, they go make sure say na 10. Now come in those states. Then they do meeting every October, November, December, January. Now cement they put money join am. Not be Dangote, not be Boa Cement, they cause the problem. Now the major distributor, they could come make cement scarce for market. States where like 100 trailers they enter before. You go see like 10 trailer. And they decide how much they go sell. Then they smile to bank while other people they cry. These major distributors for cement dealers, they are worse past devils. They worse past Lucifer. They are one kind of people who say they are very wicked set of people. I can't go further to ask the man. I say, okay, now, what about you where they said? He said the thing they affect her badly. Now, arrangement of the major distributors of cement to cause artificial scarcity. You know, go better for now. All of you now, where they do evil union, evil association, evil meeting to make this to cost for the common man. That money, now trouble. Satanic expenses, now go follow all of you now. As soon as they happy they go bank now. Now they happy they go bank. Then the people will be saying that they manage to build house now. Their project don't be abandoned project. To buy cement now wahala. To buy cement now wahala. This union, they for rod, iron, steel. People, they go buy a million furniture. Now, evil union, I go kill all of you in head. Since I start my broadcast, I never ever insult anybody for Facebook. All these major distributor for cement, the hardship wanna put people for this period. The hardship wanna put people. Una generation, you know, better for now. So now, the consequences be this their rebate. That is the English where they speak for their occultic meeting, their evil meeting. Let us rebate and make the cement scarce. The more we make the cement scarce, any amount we put, people will begin to buy. If major distributors can enter evil meeting to make cement scarce, all these small shops we call they sell cement. All these small shops we call they sell cement. They not get say again now. I further asked the man, I said, okay, now, instead of 100 trucks to come and State, for example, if 10 come, where did they go? Where did they go if the 10 come? He said that the distributor will decide how they go take do one small. That why did they do one like that? The major distributor financing 50,000 naira for one food truck. They are on to buy and come out inside Dangote, then supply them. That only way they fit make money now to make artificial scarcity. Nigerians, now see the country where they no price control. Federal government no send. State government no send. Local government no send. All this information where they bring come out now. Now information where government supposed to they work with so that we can get control price. We can get control price. I beg our governor, Mr. Godwin Obaseki, we appreciate all the good work where you do. Wake up Oakbilla Cement. Wake up Oakbilla Cement. This information where they bring come now every year, this cement major distributor, they cause hardship to the masses. And those in diaspora, please, make una come back home, come invest. Let's see how everybody can come together and wake up Oakbilla Cement so that make Edo State get their own cement because we get them before. I believe if Oakbilla Cement day to day, Edo State will decide the price when cement will be. Which kind of wickedness be this? Wickedness. People where they build us now, their house now don't become abandoned projects. because of these evil people. Instead of 100 trucks to come to Edo State, for example, the major distributor enter evil meeting to make sure that they make artificial scarcity. Artificial scarcity. Last time, I come out, say that they extort Edo people for recharge card. Me carry one man protest to MTN office. Glow and Etisala. As we speak today now, that 10 naira, whether be the extort, is gradually going now. If not for that protest, block Etisala. Our people for still they suffer. One woman they say, not be 10 naira they are join her. My friend, 10 naira times 200,000 Edo people on daily basis. Do you know how much is that? Millions of naira. Nobody they talk about cement now. Nobody they talk about cement. Because now, the person who will manage build the house, any amount we put for a house, nobody go fit challenge them. Because no price. To build us now, to build us for the state where we dey now, the cement, major distributors for cement, they cause problem to developers. Who don't know what now they talk now, they shout government, 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 government. Fine, government, una need to play on our part for this information, one are they here? For this information. If you go take Edo State government to get cement warehouse, may they go they buy direct for Dangote and Boa, so that the poor masses will they go there, go they buy now. Since the major distributors, they do meeting on yearly basis to cause artificial scarcity. All these major distributors, occultic men and women, they have a way of meeting problem to people that want to build. Tomorrow, they shout hoodlums, 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 hoodlums. Those days, person will be saying they hustle small, fixing the builders. Now, cement, they do their own. Union. Iron rod, they do their own. Aluminium zinc, they do their own. Now, so we want a day. If you be cement major distributor dealer, and you there among that meeting, say make we cause artificial scarcity for you to make more money so that people will they suffer. Now God now will judge you. Now God will judge you. Even this man where they sell cement, he they cry, he say, bros, he said this is what they tell you so. He said now rebate that they call him. That they call him rebate every year. Now this thing they happen. He said that is why you say and say, nah, he go up, he go come down. He said me I go mark him from 3.5 now. He don't they come. He said go come down reach some estate again. They will continue their normal 100 trucks, 200 trucks, 300 trucks. Oh yeah, they go flood the market with cement. Small time again, they go enter their evil meeting. They will say now let us do artificial scarcity. They go now the cement go up again. The rich are getting richer. Poor are getting poorer. In case you want to reach me, my number na 08053841781. 08053841781. Our business from Traders Welfare Union for ASA Agenda as human rights group now to expose evil people. Last time, Bread Union want to do their own. Now come out for social media. I begin to holler for social media. Bread people, Bread Union. Before you know, they resume again. This is only way we can expose them. Help me to share this video. The major distributors for cement wanna free Nigeria people, wanna free Edo people. Mona open the market. Mona let the trust. Cement wey wan come state, come to the state. Causing artificial scarcity. You are making money. Other people project now. Don't be abandoned project. If you no suffer now, your children will suffer. That is why you see and say so many big men for this life. Now poor people, they buy their house. You don't cause artificial scarcity for cement now. You don't cause artificial scarcity for cement. Now you they happy? I be major distributor for cement. Yes, we don't cause hardship to people. Let's make money. See, what shall it profit a man to get the whole world? My brothers and sisters, now here I want to talk and reach. Now here I want to talk and reach. Make we begin to think waiting we go do for Edo State, not be waiting Edo State to do for us. The one that is in me is greater than the one that is in the world. I will continue to expose this evil union. All my life, I don't use and fight extortion. I don't use and fight oppression. I don't use and fight injustice. I don't use and expose a lot of evil unions, and we get results. We dey collapse different union for this state where we dey. I no be government employee. I'm just a human rights activist doing humanitarian service. This is only where we can expose all these evil union activities. God bless you, all our viewers. Please help us to share this video until president of Dangote Cement, Aliko Dangote Siam, until the president of Boa Cement Siam may know wetin all these major distributors they do. Unless they plan out with them. Now they not go talk. Unless they plan out with them. Major distributor, cement major distributor, they enter markets. They check the market very well. They say, nah, let us do artificial scarcity so that we can make money. And on a yearly basis, now they do them. They call it rebate. So I go leave una here.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Good day, my brothers and sisters, my mommies and my dad. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all.